Okay, happy Saturday. Good morning, everybody. So I woke up a little early today and I was like, okay, what should I do? So I made some English breakfast tea for me. That's what I generally have in the morning. It's not coffee in the morning at all. Coffee is only for work. And then I built a chair that I ordered from Amazon. Not very expensive, under $100 actually. But the best part, the installation was absolutely easy. Quite a breeze. I mean, even I could do it. I did not growing up building, doing DIY projects or anything back in India. So, building is actually tough for me. But I found something which was easy to install, easy to build, and it doesn't look so bad. I mean, it's pretty functional. So, if you're interested, check it out on Amazon. It's under $100 and fairly easy to install. I'll show you what I built in my next video, but for now, I built one chair and I will be building three more with my son now that he's up and awake and I know how to build it. So happy Saturday. Enjoy your time with your family. It's precious.